Hello students, you are welcome in the grammar lesson with Katore sir. Friends, I am going to start a series of part of speech for you through the videos. In this series, we will study 8 parts of speech. In this lesson, we will focus on what are the part of speech, what is the importance of part of speech in English language, how many parts of speech are there in English, which are they, noun and its types. First of all, we will study what are the parts of speech. Parts of speech are the types of words in grammar. Words are necessary for communication. Words and phrases are useful for framing sentences. Words have different meanings. Every word has its own meaning and function. In grammatical language, we call it parts of speech. Then we will see what is the importance of parts of speech. Parts of speech are important because they show how words relate to each other. They are the basis of grammar. No any correct sentence can be formed without the proper knowledge of parts of speech. We are unable to learn English grammar without parts of speech. It is said that parts of speech are the backbone of English language. Not only in English, but also in any other languages, parts of speech are important. So, it is very necessary to study part of speech very properly. Students, there are 8 parts of speech in English. First is noun, second pronoun, third verb, fourth adjective, fifth adverb, sixth preposition, seventh conjunction, eighth interjection. First of all, we will study noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, persons Ganesh, Rani, boy, girl. Places Pune, Baramati, village, city, Taj Mahal, etc. Animals cat, dog, cow, horse, etc. Things pen, fan, book, chalk, etc. Students, there are main 7 kinds of noun. First is common noun, second proper noun, third collective noun, fourth an abstract noun, fifth material noun, sixth agent noun, and seventh countable and uncountable noun. We will study all these types of noun one by one. First we will see common noun. Let us see the definition of common noun. It is a general name given to every person, place, animal or thing of the same class or same kind. For example, student, village, cat, dog, fan, pencil, etc. Let us see the exercise of common noun. Write and underline the common nouns in the following sentences. First sentence is, we have a new television. In this sentence, television is a common noun. So you have to underline this word television. Second sentence, the doctor is checking patients. Third sentence, dogs are barking. Fourth, it's my computer. Fifth, I love to sing devotional songs. And sixth, the teacher went in the class. Students, you have to underline common nouns from all these sentences. Second is proper noun. It is a name given to a particular person, place, animal or thing. Remember, proper noun always begins with capital letter. For example, Raju, Mumbai, Saturday. In these nouns, the name Raju, the first letter R is capital. In the case of Mumbai, M is capital, and in the case of Saturday, S is capital. For example, names of persons: Ganesh, Sanika; names of animals: Moti, Mani; names of months and days of the week: March, April, Sunday, Friday, etc. Names of newspapers: the Sakal, the Lokmat; names of festivals: Diwali, Holi, Republic Day; names of lakes, rivers and mountains: Salt Lake, Ganga, Yamuna, Mount Everest, Sahyadri, etc. Names of railways: Shatabdi Express, Konkan Railways, Jammu Tawi Express; names of continents, countries, states, cities and villages. Africa, Europe are the continents. India, England are the countries. Kerala, Manipur are the states. Pune is the city and Maligaon is village. Let us see the activity. Fill in the blanks with correct proper nouns given in the bracket. Words in the bracket are Holi, Hari, Japan, January, Gitanjali Express. First sentence is dash dash is drawing a picture. In this sentence you can use Hari. Hari is drawing a picture. Second sentence, we visited dash dash last year. Third, my father came by dash dash. Fourth, dash dash is favorite festival of children. And fifth, dash dash is the first month of year. Students, you have to choose correct proper nouns from the bracket and complete these sentences. Second activity, write and underline the proper nouns. My mother's name is Radha. Sima is my best friend. India is my country. I live in Nagpur. Nile is the longest river in the world. And last one is Shivneri is a fort. Students, you have to underline proper nouns in the sentences.